Patented electroporation technology and Atomy's proprietary solution to boost the maximum absorption rate of cosmetic compounds. Individually separate modes fine-tuned for each skin type, with technology that's proven safe. Once a day daily, all from home. To complete all the skincare troubles you might have, simply turn it on for a new experience. Science that unlocks the skin. Atomy EP Skinbooster. Atomy EP Skinbooster uses a combination of heat and vibration therapy that's based on Atomy's patented electroporation technology, with 3 levels of intensity and 4 different modes to aid in the deep penetration of cosmetic compounds deep into the skin. Would you like to know the difference between electroporation and galvanic technologies? Galvanic technology uses low-level electric current to infuse ionized components mainly through the pores and sweat glands. Electroporation technology applies short pulses of high-level current to temporarily create passageways into the skin cell, touching the device so as to help to transfer cosmeceutical molecules deep within for superior permeability. Atomy EP Skinbooster is a new revolutionary beauty device based upon electroporation technology. Through Atomy's multi-frequency EP technology, epidermal cells are temporarily realigned, and it was developed so that more cosmeceutical compounds can be delivered deep into the skin. Clinical trials have shown amazing permeability rates and deep penetration effects when using the Atomy EP Skinbooster. Now, let's learn how to do simple home skincare therapy using the Atomy EP Skinbooster. First, press and hold the power button to turn the device on, and select the intensity using short presses on the power button. Choose the skincare mode you want and apply it to the skin. Then, the boosting will begin via heat and smooth vibration. Now, a quick note. When using the thermal heat feature, check the heat intensity first by placing the device on the back of your hand. Finally, after each use, check that the power is fully turned off and then wipe any leftover residue to keep the device clean. Atomy EP Skinbooster provides a total of 4 optimal modes to help the skin absorb Atomy cosmetic solutions. The blue mode is for use with advanced hydration ampule and other various cosmetics. White mode is for Vita Luminous and Miracle Rejuvenating ampules and other whitening cosmetics. Purple mode is for use with the 24K Gold Infusion ampule and other skin-firming cosmetics. The red mode administers 40 degrees of heat for use with a variety of cosmeceutical products to help with skin penetration and accelerate compound absorption. The red mode is for thermal therapy only, and on the first level of intensity, there is no vibration, but starting with level 2, there is vibration. After using the thermal mode, be sure to calm your skin with cold water cleansing or by using a cooling face mask. To effectively boost the efficacy of cosmetic compounds, maintain firm engagement on wide skin areas such as the forehead, cheeks, or ocular area. On deep-set areas or areas with wrinkle lines, such as near the mouth, in between eyebrows, or nose area, make use of the upper bulging portion of the device to maximize the boosting efficacies of your cosmetics. Not only is the Atomy EP Skinbooster great for cosmetic permeability, it guarantees safe use through its multi-level safety mechanism system. The microcontroller unit system automatically turns off the device when it exceeds recommended usage times. And the thermistor sensor ensures that the probe temperature is maintained at its precise level to prevent overheating. The bimetal sensor is an additional sensor that keeps the temperature in check, rounding out the device's triple safety system. Plus, by using safer skin use trivalent chromium plating, Atomy was able to perfect this beauty device. Once a day daily, experience the truly easy at-home aesthetics care. Science that unlocks the skin. Atomy EP Skinbooster.